Okay, so now we are going to talk about the RXPanel. The RXPanel is a scheduler. It's being installed outside the room. You need to sign in on this device with the same account that you are signing in with your MTR account in the room itself. I will now perform a sign-in process on the device. And once I'm done, I will do a pairing between the RXPanel and the MTR itself. This pairing will allow us to control the meetings, will allow us to adjust and modify the duration of the checkout, if you want to check out the room before the time that is passed on. And it will allow us to invite the room if you want to add the room to on-the-fly meeting, because we see the room is now available. Once the RXPanel is signed in, you will see that it will have a green light at the top of it that will indicate us that the panel is idle mode. When the device is in meeting, it will be either red or either purple, and that can be also defined. I will wait for it to be signed in, and then we will proceed. As you can see now, the panel is now signed in. It's now displaying the same account that we have for this room. This room is Golan, this room is also Golan. And now I am capable to do the following things. But before we do that, we need to do the pairing. There is a small settings wheel at the bottom of the screen. We will go into device settings, we will do login. Once we are logged in, we will go to Teams admin settings, and then here we can manage the device's settings. We can change the background, we can change the LED. If it's in meeting, it can be either purple or red. I will do red. In the meetings, we can release the room if no one checks in. We can show the meeting names. We will hide it for privacy considerations. We can allow the room to be reserved and to be checked out if no one checks in after, for example, 10 minutes. We will allow to be reserved with QR code, and we will allow early checkout from the room. The pairing, it will now look for the same account. As you can see, it has found the MTR in the same account, and on the screen we have a pairing code that needs to be entered on the panel, 992045. Now in this situation, the RXPanel is paired with the MTR in this room. I will exit the menu. I will do a reserve meeting on the fly. Now the indication will be red. And you will see that my room is now reserved from 2 p.m. to 2:15. And no one can add or invite this room to a meeting during this duration of time. I can manage and I can check out, and this will clear out the room, and the room will become available again.